Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. As you can see, my hair is looking a little different. Can you guess what it is? Actually, if you read the title, then you probably know what's up. But this video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN. I'm going to leave all the hair information linked down below and their website and where you can get it. So as you can see, this is a Converti cap wig and it has four combs, one longer one at the front, and it also has like a drawstring, sort of like, like when you're making a ponytail. It's really easy to transition this Converti cap into different hairstyles, so I am going to have fun sharing that with you guys. So I did wash the hair and this is what it looks like washed. I didn't play with it too much while I was washing it, but then later on I went and brushed it, and I really like how more, I guess, closer to like my hair texture it looks like. I feel like when you look at it, when you see me wearing it, it just looks like it's my hair. And I'm going to show you a little thing that I found out on how to wear it as a full wig and also hide the cap as well and not have too much of the hair going to the front. So I'm going to start off by laying off my edges, using my shine and jam. By this time these people really should be paying me for advertising this. I mean, I'm not advertising it, I just simply love using it. But I feel like I've gotten a lot of you onto it that I'm just like, I should be sending me a little commission. But that's just me. I hope you're having a lovely day or a lovely week. I am. My cousin and my little nephew moved to the province that I live in, so it's been exciting just having them close by. But as you can see, I did twist. I mean, you could wear the hair the way it is, and I'll show you that at the end, but I really just wanted to do some twists and just see how that turns out. While I was brushing it, I figured I wanted to do some twists and just see. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it looks beautiful, it looks natural, it looks really, really full. I was having a little bit of trouble hiding the cap, as you can see, because I didn't want to leave any of my hair outside. But I felt like you could kind of see it. I mean, you can wear it like that. It's not a big deal. But I was trying to find a way to flip the hair a little bit and then pin it with a bobby pin so that it's hiding the cap. But this is what the hair looks like. So at the beginning, actually, when I started styling the hair, I wanted to do something bridal, and you're going to see me try that, but I didn't like sort of like the bridal kind of accessories that I was using, so I just ended up having more fun with the hair that you're going to see coming up. As you can see, the hair is really easy to style. You can transition to different styles, and you don't have to do the twist again. You can just rock it like that. The wig does come with this headband, so if you want, you can definitely try it out. You can also use your other scarves if you have them that you like better than this headband. I have a lot of headbands right now, it's crazy, and some silk scarves as well. And as you can see, this style is cute, super easy to create. You can definitely create this with your natural hair too, if your hair is slightly longer, and be rocking the same look, y'all. After playing with this wig, I can't wait for my hair to grow. I feel like with a little more inches, I'm going to be able to do this. But we'll see. We'll see. But I'm really never obsessed about length, by the way. I'm usually just really into sort of like the health of my hair, and I hope a lot of you get that it's really about growing healthy hair. If your hair is healthy, it's naturally going to grow long as well. Just give it time, be patient, and have fun. That is the most important. Have fun with your hair, enjoy different hairstyles, try different things, and don't forget that it's just hair. And while you're doing it, please spend time with yourself, excitedly with yourself, and avoid getting a lot of frustration from doing your hair. I think sometimes we forget that it's really just meant to be fun, to be honest. When you look at a hairstyle and you're trying to recreate it, don't forget that you're just trying to recreate it. Whatever comes out, if it doesn't look exactly the same as the hairstyle you're trying to recreate, You should clap for yourself because you just created a new hairstyle and just have fun like that. I hope you enjoy styling your hair and that you enjoy your experience with your hair, because a lot of the comments that I see are people really just being frustrated with their hair. So I think changing your attitude as you're doing your hair might actually change how you feel about your hair and also the process of doing your hair. But as you can see, I found this hair braid that I had done. You can definitely buy some headbands that actually look braided like this. But I had this in my hair drawer. I don't know. Do you guys have hair drawers? Because I'm like, I have a whole cube with 4 drawers and I have different types of hair in there. And sometimes when I'm doing a hairstyle, I'll remember that I have something that I can use and I go digging in there and I finally find it. And I'm so glad that I kept it because it looks amazing with this Converti cap from CURLSQUEEN. As you can see, it hides the cap and it also makes it easier for me to transition from different hairstyles and flip it into different ways. As you can see, it's very, very seamless. I love it. So I'm just adding water just to show you ladies how it looks like if you were just to wear the natural curl pattern by itself instead of doing the twists like I did. I should have probably done that before even doing the twist, but I got carried away when I was brushing the hair after washing it. But this is basically what it looks like. I'm just going to play with it and keep playing with my fingers and just finger combing it and adding more water to make sure that it goes back to the natural curl pattern of it. I'm actually looking forward to do Bantu knots on that. I feel like it's going to look really, really nice with Bantu knots. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you're going to see that because I do share some things on my stories. So I'm probably going to share a little clip of that on my Instagram and my Facebook stories. So if you don't follow me, girl, then you should follow me on there. My name is Yasser K. And by the way, thank you so much for coming by. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you check out the hair. I'm going to leave all the information for CURLSQUEEN in the description down below, so you can definitely check them out and their Converti wig. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Easy to transition, easy to create different hairstyles with. And I ended up doing a ponytail, but I didn't film it. But I showed it again on Instagram and Facebook, and this is what the ponytail looks like. But back into the video. Thanks for coming by, ladies. I hope you have a lovely week. I will see you on Saturday with a new hairstyle. Have a lovely, lovely week, ladies. Bye.